Understanding the phrase, got here. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to delve deep into the phrase, got here. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use it and what it means in various contexts. Let's get started. Got here is a combination of the verb, got, and the adverb, here. At its most basic level, it means arrived at this place. Example, I got here at 5 p.m. This means the person arrived at the specified place at 5 p.m. Like many English phrases, got here can be used in different ways based on context. 1. Expression of relief. After facing a challenging journey or overcoming obstacles, someone might say, I finally got here. 2. Inquiring about a journey. How'd you got here? This means, what means of transportation did you use to arrive? 3. Figurative use. It can also be used to discuss non-physical journeys or achievements. For example, it took me 5 years of hard work, but I got here, meaning they've achieved a specific goal or milestone. While got here is simple, some learners might misuse it. Here are common mistakes to avoid. 1. Misplacement of words. Avoid saying, here got. The correct phrase is, got here. 2. Overusing the phrase. While it's a useful expression, not every reference to arriving or achieving requires, got here. For example, I came early is more natural than, I got here early, in many contexts. 3. Confusion with, get here. Remember, get here is more about the future or a command, like, when will you get here? Or, can you get here by 5? On the other hand, got here is about the past or an occurrence that already happened. And there we have it. We hope this explainer helps you understand the phrase, got here, better. Remember, language is all about context. And the more you practice, the more natural your understanding and usage will become. Keep learning and happy studying.